Good morning, young world. Today's word comes from Ephesians chapter 2, verse 19. You are no longer foreigners and strangers, but fellow citizens with God's people and also members of his household. This scripture is about being part of the family. Listen, it don't matter if you was part of the Gambino family, the Sopranos family, the Rockefeller family, my family, hip hop family. Listen, it's something about being in family. There's something about being in community. See, the word says you were once considered foreigners and strangers. And if you look like me, in America, you was once looked at as a foreigner and a stranger, but being a member of God's family brings incredible rights and privileges. So today, I need you to walk in that door, kick down the door, remove the door, and let the people know I'm a part of the family.